Doctor, is surgery the only treatment for squint?
Squinting of the eyes or the eyes not following the gaze of direction, technically called strabismus, needs a thorough checkup and a management before we jump onto surgery. Squinting notice in a child might actually be amenable to just a simple spectacle, a pair of spectacles. You get the child checked for any refractive error, any need for spectacles. You put on the spectacles, the child sees better, and the squint is gone. Squinting, usually seen in one eye, is usually an indicator of very poor vision in that eye. Squint in the eye could also be an indicator of a disease which needs to be treated apart from squint. So let's not ask a question on whether there is a surgery needed for squint. The question should be framed whether we should get a checkup done and know what is the cause of the squint. Squint could be because of many reasons, one ranging from a simple refractive error where a spectacle would do the job to a disease which needs additional treatment apart from squint. And yes, squint surgery as a sole situation is very easy, and squint is totally treatable by surgery.
So, are you talking only of like pediatric or children, or even we find some adults, who are like 30, 40 years old and they never got their squint treated? So, is there any option for them too?
As I said, a squint noticed in an adult, or a squint or a eye not following the gaze in which you're looking, noticed in an adult, usually indicates that that person is not seeing from that eye. So the checkup would involve what is the reason why the person is not seeing from that eye. And there could be a disease. If the disease is treated, possibly the squint might improve, or you could have a treatment modality in which the disease is treated and the squint is also treated by a simple operation. The squint in an eye is usually an indicator of that eye seeing poorly, and the checkup would involve looking at the primary reason for the squint itself. Now that we have reached a stage where we know that we have some problem in the eye which needs to be addressed, we should get our eyes checked up at a super specialist eye care institute like the Venu Eye Institute and Research Center.